Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is probably completely out of your interest, but I do want to share everything that I do in my life. So I am in Taiwan at the moment, and I'm going on morning runs to try and get back into it. A few years ago I was really sick and I couldn't run. I had no choice, so I always said when I get my fitness back I will be running and trying to be as healthy as I can. So I thought, how about I just go for runs like I would in the morning, but just do like a POV, run around and show you guys the streets of Taiwan, because it is a country that people don't normally go to. So yeah, I know you're probably following me for adventure and drone stuff, so if that's not what you're interested in, probably don't continue the video, but if you do, yeah, I would love it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Yo, what is going on, guys? All right, so we are down here, the beautiful streets of Taiwan. We're going for a run. I thought this video was going to originally be like an ASMR type video, but it does go for about 8-9 minutes before I do start vlogging, and I thought, you know what, that's a little bit boring. I don't want to put you guys through that, so let's maybe talk about life, where I'm at, why I'm in Taiwan, and that sort of thing. So at the moment, I am in Taiwan because I do call Taiwan home. I have an apartment here, which I am absolutely stoked about. So I will be coming back here each year, minimum one time, maybe two, just depending on like life, what's happening, where I am and that sort of thing. So there will be a lot of Taiwan content in the future with hiking, street photography, definitely abandoned. So I have linked up with a few abandoned photographers, which is dope. So this time they're going to take me out to some Japanese style abandoned houses, so I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be absolutely sick. I've got some hiking planned, Flame Mountain, Huangshan, and also like the typical street photography. I try and get some cityscapes with the drone, all sorts of content to come this time. So by the end of this trip, I should have a stack of content to edit. I am concentrating more on YouTube this year. I do want to grow a little bit more of a community on YouTube. I feel like there's a little bit more meaning behind long format videos rather than just making things for Instagram. I'm a little bit over that. And then also I do want to hone in on my craft a little bit more. I have spoken about this in a video I just recorded, but I do want to record and make these videos and have a little bit more quality when it comes to color grading, storytelling, and the visuals. So I do find it hard to stick to a niche. I know a lot of people say, oh, just stick to FPV and just do FPV videos, but so I'm hoping to create a niche around who I am and what I do, rather than just one style of videography or photography. But we'll see how it goes. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. There is a few vlogging parts towards the end. I do get lost, so stick around. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it, but I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Yo, good morning, people. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm just going for a morning run. I'm trying to get back into the habit of running, get my fitness levels up. I'm just scouting out a location for later on. I want to do the micro drone video today, so I'm going to come down to this park, have a look if there's any cool spots to fly, and then we'll come back down later and film that video. But for now, we're just gonna do this video, which is just basically running through the streets. It's just gonna be a bit of a relaxing video. If you like that sort of stuff, it's not gonna be for everyone, but I just want to try and pump out content, show my life, show what I do, and that sort of thing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. This is cool. Yeah, that is sick. So this is where the streets get super interesting. Where I just went was pretty boring. But these streets are nice, super unique, different. Lots of signs, people, scooters, a lot happening. So I just went and got my bread, sugar-free, whole wheat. I'm gonna go, and most of the meat here is Australian. So most of the meat that you buy inside the supermarket is actually Australian, imported, because they don't have enough land and cows and stuff like that to produce their own, so they import it all, which is super cool. But yeah. Well, creepy. I think we're almost back in the street. Gonna go home, make a feed, rehydrate, get some hydrolyte in me, some magnesium, B vitamins. I get pretty dizzy with my concussion stuff, so I really need to take care of what I put in my body. Otherwise I could be sick for the next couple of days. Well, so much happening now. Let's take this little back street shortcut back to the crib. It's so different this time than it was last time. Last time I think I concentrated on making everything look so beautiful and cinematic. I'm going to do that this time, but it's going to be more about sharing my life and what I do, everyday stuff, just so you know that I'm a bit more human than the things that I post of just the highlights of having a great time and stuff like that. That stuff's cool, it's got a time and place, but I want to share more of the struggle, experiences, my thoughts, who I am at the time, because this, if you think about it, this is like a visual journal. So you're basically time stamping who you are at that point, where you are, what you do. And if you do that unapologetically, you'll have a good outcome of vlogging your life as well. So yeah, that's why I want to do daily vlogs. I know these videos might be a bit boring, so hopefully if you're not interested, you kind of skip this. But if you are, I'd appreciate you guys watching. Tell me what you think, thoughts, all that good stuff. But I think I might call the video now. I'm a little bit lost. I want to try and get back so I can get all my shit and go do this drone flying before 11 o'clock. So let me know what you think. I'm going to do a couple more of these. Hopefully I'm not sick from like my concussion and stuff like that. If I get my heart rate up too much, it kind of puts me out. So I'm hoping I'm going to be all good tomorrow. Now I can do a couple of these, more of these longer format videos. Oh man, I'm starving. Can't wait to get home and get some food. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out. Oh my god, I've been lost for so long. Finally found a little alleyway to get through the other side. So sick. We're coming out, a little scooter. And we are back in action.